Hello everyone!
Hello!
Welcome to Great Mayonnaise, and in today's video we're trying Bazooka!
You know we've been tasting Bazooka before.
But this one is Splash Edition.
So it looks like it's some kind of taffy with some liquid stuff in the middle.
Some gel-like liquid thing.
And I found something similar to this in Croatia. And I think I bought like 5 packages with me back to Norway.
Shit it.
And this was supposed to be £1. And it's not. Okay, so it smells really good. It's really weird flavors we saw before we started recording.
Very weird flavor combinations.
So we got lemon and strawberry, apple and peach, grape and sour cherry, mango and pear. And I think I'm actually just gonna start with the...
Just to start with the yellow one. It looks very taffy-like, consistency taffy-like.
Where's the splash in the middle?
There's no splash in the middle. I mean, the flavor was alright.
Flavor was actually not bad. Apple and peach.
That's not a combination I've had before.
I don't think I have had it either.
There is some splash things in the middle. This just tastes apple. The apple flavor is too strong for the peach to get through.
Yeah.
It's alright. You would like apple. And grape and cherry?
Grape and cherry.
No pop. This tastes very grape. Not so much cherry. No splashing.
So the grape and cherry flavor actually only tasted grape.
Yeah.
I could not taste the cherry. And I was expecting a little sour cherry. So for the last one I have high expectations. It's mango and pear. Mostly I will only taste mango.
But we'll see. No pop, no splash. So you're completely right. I only taste mango. So we basically have 4 flavors. We have mango, we have grape, we have apple, and the last one, I mean, it kind of tastes both with lemon and strawberry. So yeah, you have one mixed flavor, and the other ones is just single flavors.
I agree. So I think I would give all of this a similar rating actually.
Yeah, they weren't great.
So the first flavor we tasted, lemon and strawberry, we can pop it up like half a point.
Because it actually tasted 2 flavors.
But I love the consistency of the taffy.
That was pretty good.
So I will actually give it a solid 3.5. Like the taffy and all of them. The flavors were not bad. But the lemon and strawberry, I'll give it a solid 4.
Yeah, and I very much agree. 3, 4. It was not great. It was not bad, but it was not great.
But the consistency was really good. I cannot compare them to the ones in Croatia because the ones you chew on there, I don't remember the name of them.
Yeah.
But when you chew on them, you hear the popping and the gel like in the middle comes out in your mouth. It was so good. But it's a really good effort. I have to give them that. It's a really good effort.
But even if this was on sale, we wouldn't buy it again.
No, I don't think so.
So
The bar is low.
yeah,
The bar is low. But with that,
Thank you so much for watching.
and we see you.
In another video tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.